The moment Maghrib azan is called, what do most people do? They rush to the table, eat dates, drink water. But then, instead of turning to Allah in prayer, they continue eating. One bite turns into 10. One sip turns into a full meal. Plates of food, desserts, drinks. Minutes pass by, and only when they feel satisfied do they finally stand up for Salah. But by then, how much time is left? Has the Salah time nearly slipped away? Have we unknowingly prioritized our hunger over our duty to Allah? Brothers and sisters, understand this. Maghrib is the shortest prayer window of the day. Unlike other Salah times, where you have a long stretch before it expires, Maghrib is urgent. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ showed us the correct way. Break your fast with dates and water, then immediately pray. Only after fulfilling your obligation should you sit down to eat properly. This is not just a recommendation, it's a matter of prioritizing your hereafter over your desires. The companions of the Prophet ﷺ understood this well. They never allowed their food to delay their connection with Allah. They knew that Salah is our lifeline, and missing it on time, especially for something as temporary as food, is a loss we cannot afford. And let me remind you of something important. The time for Maghrib doesn't end when the Adhan is called. It lasts only until the redness of the sky disappears, and this varies by location. In some places that's just 50 minutes, in others it's barely over an hour. It's not a stretch of time we should take lightly. The Prophet ﷺ was taught the exact timings of Salah by Angel Jibreel. On one day, he was led in prayer at the earliest time. The next day, he was led in prayer at the latest time. This wasn't random, it was a lesson for us. It showed that while other prayers have flexibility, Maghrib must be prayed within its short window. So ask yourself, am I making Maghrib a priority, or am I allowing my hunger to take over? This Ramadan, make a commitment. Break your fast, pray your Salah first, and then eat with peace and gratitude. Because when you put Allah first, He will bless everything else in your life, including the meal you delayed for His sake. Don't let a few extra minutes at the dinner table take away from the immense reward of Salah on time. Change this habit today and see how your Ramadan transforms. May Allah accept our fasting, our prayers, and our dedication. Ameen.